Let down your guard. And you put this family into a big shame.
Only wa bode kan. Àwa wí tán. Ó ní àdá tún bí ká lè bá rọrùn wọ̀. Ha bá mi, ọwọ́ wa ńlẹ̀.
Mo dáràn.
Dad.
Yes?
Please, I need you to explain something to me. Can we talk?
Yes, but just give me a few seconds, alright?
Okay, sir.
Don't pick that call. You have to listen to her first. Don't. You have to hear what she has to say and pray with her.
Hello, Mr. Kennedy. Yes. What is the matter? Yes. No. That cannot be possible.
Okay, where are you?
Just listen to me. Just listen, Kennedy. Listen. I said, where are you? Okay, just stay there and wait for me. I'll join you. Okay? Hey.
Hope all is well, Dad.
I think so. But you have to excuse me, alright?
Be careful with your driving. I just need to be there on time. What is wrong with Kennedy? Oyeyipo, you are no longer sensitive to me these days. Drive slowly.
Damburoba.
Thank God you did not break my glass.
Hey!
Apologize. Apologize.
Kurumane. You know if you apologize, why they look at me like that? You know if you apologize, you know if you talk, say sorry. Come on, sorry, you know if you talk.
This man is insulting you. You have to let him know who you are.
Young man, are you stupid? You want to break my glass? In fact, you are crazy.
Don't talk like that. You're at fault.
Kaima Hukachi! Waka! Shege!
Back to sender. Back to sender. Everything on your head. I don't have your time. Idiot. Fool.
No, you for wait now. Stupid man.
Get up.
Why you not wait now?
Get away, idiot.
Why you not wait? You for wait now. Idiot. Stupid man. Waka!
If you check this document, you'll see the omission. The papers were duly signed.
Now I am happy. Then there is no cause for alarm. And something was telling me there is no problem. I was only disturbing myself.
Mr. Kende should have called me before putting the call through to you. I have all the papers on my desk. Really.
What's that?
I'm sorry, Oga. I'm sorry.
You just go ahead and get this perfected.
Can't you appreciate God's greatness in the life of this sister? Can't you see she's wonderfully and fearfully made? Look at how she's looking fresh. What a secret!
Ogongo Tv.
Sir?
Oh, our God is great. Oluchi, can we talk? You no want tell me your secret.
Which secret, Oga?
The secret behind this your freshness and beauty.
You want make I tell you? Make you go tell madam.
Exactly.
This one expensive. Oh.
Oluchi.
Oga.
Okay, bring your hand. Which soap you do use? See as your hand fresh. Be careful.
Sorry,
Oga.
I am taking over.
Oluchi, tell me now. Which soap you do use?
You have to wake up. Wake up.
Tomorrow is the board meeting. You need to wake up before 5 a.m. Take your time to rest.
You have to wake up.
Save yourself the energy. They can't hear you. Leave them alone.
Wake up. Damilola. Calm down. You don't have to do this.
Dear, are you leaving me behind? How do I get to town?
Don't do this. You left home rejecting your wife's food. Remember, love endures long and is patient. Love does not insist on its own right or its own way. Love bears up under anything and everything that comes. It is not self-seeking. Remember this truth.
Which truth? Leave me! Leave me! Ah! Ah!
Ah,
Oluchi.
Oga, you dey now?
I'm fine, as you can see. And you?
I'm not bad.
Oh, please, join me. Sit down.
Okay.
Oluchi.
Oga,
What will you like to take?
anything. The deal is done. You don't sign now. Apurumia.
Why is this man not picking my calls?
Pray for him.
You have to let him know that you are his wife.
Patient.
Rebuke him.
Hello?
Hey, where are you coming from, stupid man?
What? What did you just call me? Margaret, you called your husband stupid! Are you out of your senses?
Then you must be crazy.
You must be crazy. Don't allow any nasty word come out of your mouth again.
I am the head of this home. I am your husband.
I am the head of this home. I am your husband.
So what? Ló bá tán. Stephen Oyeyipo, ó ti ń mu ọtí. A dicky for that matter, taking alcohol. Abájọ tí wàkíwà fi kún ọwọ́ ẹ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ó jẹ́ ṣọ́rẹ́. Ó ń lọ nìyẹn. Ṣáà má kọ bá mi, ó wí tèmi o.
I can see that you are crazy.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ọkọ crazy woman.
Why are you doing this?
I am not doing anything. They invited me to come and accomplish my only mission.
Which is?
John 10:10.
The thief cometh not, but only to steal, to kill, and to destroy.
Exactly. That is what the old man is set to do. I am the flesh.
But that is not the end of that Bible passage. My mission is clearly stated at the conclusion, which is, I have come so that they might have life and have it more abundantly.
Yes.
Did they first come to steal, to kill, and to destroy this home?
But Jesus has come to give us life, even in abundance. Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
What can I think of glory revenge?
Ìdílé Aláyọ̀ kìkan ṣeré tàbí ìtàn lásán, ó kún fún ọgbọ́n, òye, ìmọ̀ àti agbára Ọlọ́run, èròjà fún ìgbéyàwó aláyọ̀. Báwo ni mo ṣe lè yan aya tàbí ọkọ rere? Ìgbésẹ̀ wo ni mo lè gbé láti tẹ́ ọkọ tàbí aya mi lọ́rùn? Báwo la ṣe lè borí ọ̀tá àti èṣù nínú ilé wa? Ọ̀nà wo la lè gbà láti tọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa kí wọ́n lè yàn kí wọ́n sì yanjú? báwo la ṣe lè tò ìdílé tó ti dàrú? Báwo ni mo ṣe lè ní ìdílé aláyọ̀? Gbogbo ìdáhùn yìí lẹ lè rí nínú eré ìdílé aláyọ̀ tí yóò máa tọ̀ yín wá lọ́sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀. Orúkọ tèmi ni Fisáyọ̀ Moses Ọlọ́runṣọlá FMO, olóòtú ètò ìdílé aláyọ̀. Ohun tó ní láti ṣe ni kó darapọ̀ mọ́ YouTube channel wa. Click the red subscribe button on our YouTube channel for your weekly family TV series. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ sọ wípé ìdílé aláyọ̀.
Ìdílé wa.